I'm gonna go over the stuff we haven't gone over yet. Actually, I'll do it real quick. If I ask you layer, epidermis, ask you layer, dermis, ask you layer, hypodermis or subcutaneous. Now, these right here and these right here, what they did was they cut this open so you can see inside. These are sebaceous glands and sebaceous glands. They secrete oil. So the reason your hair, when you wake up in the morning, is oily is because of these sebaceous glands. They lubricate the hair, they act as an antibacterial agent. We'll talk more about that as we go into lecture and in later lab periods. So this right here is going to be the sebaceous gland, and this is the sebaceous gland, okay? This right here and this right here are your sweat glands. These right here and this right here is a sweat duct, okay? This right here is known as a deep pressure receptor. It's also known as a Pacinian corpuscle. It's also known as a lamellated corpuscle. You can call it any three. When I was in school, they called it a Pacinian corpuscle. The book has changed it to lamellated corpuscle, also changed it to a deep pressure receptor. I'll accept any of those three layers, okay? Next, we have this structure right here, and that's called the erector pili muscle. And you'll notice that it's attached to a hair. The purpose of erector pili muscle is it causes your hair to go up on end. When you get goosebumps, that is the erector pili muscle that's causing those goosebumps. Okay, that's why your hair stands up on end because of that. Okay. Next, what we have is we're going to have this right here, which is the Meissner's corpuscles. Okay, these are called Meissner's corpuscles, and these are superficial pressure receptors. So if it's superficial, the Meissner's corpuscles pick it up. If it's deep pressure, the Pacinian corpuscles are picking it up, which makes sense. If I just lightly touch the surface, isn't something like that that's very close going to touch it and receive it, the information? In order to get down to here, don't I have to apply a lot of pressure? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that's why that's deep pressure. Again, you can call it deep pressure receptor, lamellated corpuscle, or Pacinian corpuscle. This is called Meissner's corpuscles. Okay, Meissner's, and it's all on the board. Okay. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the dermis. The dermis is, well, actually, we're going to talk about it in the next section. So please go back to your lab tables.